Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello and welcome to this lesson. One thing that always disturbs a lot of PC users is the lack of capability of affording the software on your computer. So with that comes the facilitation of our Tibco Cloud Spotfire. Many of the times you do not have the capability or the facilitation of having the Spotfire desktop on your laptop. So you need the Tibco Cloud. The Tibco Cloud, let's go over here, is basically the same. As you can see, it has the same options of adding our data, clicking and adding data, and it has this little intro where this is how you understand Spotfire. Over here you have the option for notifications, and it's pretty much the same. Of course, when I add my data, I can work around with it as well. I can connect to Google Analytics, browse a local file, of course, but that is something I do not need to do right now. So another important thing about this is that it has this option pad over here. When you click on it, it gives you two basic options: the Spotfire library and the Spotfire Analytics. The Spotfire Analytics leads you to the same area where you can work out your data and analyze upon it. Then you have the Spotfire library. The Spotfire library is what makes this significant from Spotfire desktop. It's why it's unique. Here you can share your data, and we're going to be learning about that in different uh, lessons. So over here we have our samples where you can access samples, you can share your data, and you have the option to share recent analysis. Right now there's no analysis, but in the next lesson you'll probably learn about that. You can go and learn as well and access the community from here and also download resources. So I hope you've understood how the Tibco Cloud Spotfire facilitates the sharing ideology, but it's basically the same. And of course, it works around for people that don't have the facilitation of a proper computer or lack of capability of PC uh, properties. So I hope you've understood how Tibco Cloud Spotfire works, and I hope to see you in the next lesson as well.